and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see likes sent on Tinder. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Tinder app. So once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to tap on the profile icon on the right hand side of the corner on bottom. So once you tap on it, you need to now tap on the Tinder Gold upgrade option. So once you tap on it, you can see all the features like unlimited likes, see who likes you, and unlimited rewinds, and many more other options. So to particularly see likes sent on Tinder, you need to simply subscribe to this Gold Premium subscription of Tinder, which will allow you to see likes sent on Tinder. So this will also provide you many other facilities or benefits which is particularly not found in the normal Tinder account. So by subscribing to Tinder Gold, you can enjoy facilities like this. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.